So we're gonna do a quick little fusion mod before it gets super dark. I had some bulbs laying around. We are going to be doing reverse lights on LED reverse lights. I believe they are lays fit. I think that's how to say it, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the install. I think you might need a pry tool removal and 11 millimeters. So let me show you what they look like in stock form, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so there they are in stock form. They are 921 bulb size. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk and we'll get into the install. I'm only going to show you one side of it and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right now I have the car with the emergency brake set and it's off, so it's not going to go anywhere. But let me go ahead and pop the trunk and we'll get into the install. Okay, we're going to start on the passenger side first. So there's a bolt, and the other one, there's a clip up in there. And I think that's all you should need in order to drop that. So let me get my pry tool and then I'll show you what it looks like and where the other bolt is. Okay, so there's actually two, this is probably gonna be hard to see because it's getting dark. There's two panel clips that you need to remove. One is here and the other one's up here, and then you can drop it, and let me see if I can see it. Right there is the other one. So let me go ahead and take the other bolt off, and then the taillight part just pops up out. Okay, so this is why you have to remove the 3 bolts. Right here is the plug, so you'll just twist that. I might have to put the phone down and before this bulb gets too hot, but let me get the bulb out, I'll switch it over. These may be polarized, so if it doesn't work the first time, pull the bulb and flip it, but we're gonna test it real quick. So there's the LED. We're going to get it into the housing and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, hold on one second. Let me get you off the tripod. One thing I also do want to take care of, I hate those too. Like I said, I like doing little mods like this because it looks good and they're cheap. Here are the parking sensors going off. So there's that one, and there's that one. Much noticeable. So look how clean and white that looks. So also, if you're wondering, that cheap light off of eBay is, can't even tell a difference in either bulbs or either taillights. So let me go ahead and get the other one, and I'm going to turn the car off, and I'll show you what they both look like. I'm going to try to do my best to show the quality of these. I had these in the Ram and the third brake light. Like I said, I will post a link up, but I just want to show you how bright just these are. So obviously all the lights off. Super crisp white, and now it's license plate time. One last thing to finish this up. If you guys are not confident that you're not going to scratch that, those inner brake lights do come off. There's a wiring harness that you can clip to them or unclip from them, and then you can go ahead and just pull the whole thing off. It's a little easier, so you don't have to rest it up there. You don't have to worry about one of the studs scratching the back of your car. But like I said, quick, easy video. Had these laying around. I'll post a link up. But the only tools you're going to need is a pry tool to remove the Christmas trees underneath of the trunk lid, and 11mm and a ratchet. So that's pretty much it. Super easy video. So thanks again for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you have anything to suggest.